Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Dania and today Pamir Private School is celebrating Eid Al Etihad. It is a day that reminds us of the strength, unity and great achievements of our beloved country. To honor this special occasion, I will be interviewing students to hear what the UAE means to them. Now let's hear their thoughts, feelings and pride about our country. How has UAE become one of the fastest growing countries in the world?
Because of its great leadership, constant investment in technology, education, and the future, and amazing future planning.
What does the UAE's unity mean to you?
To stay together and help each other.
What special things do you do on Eid Al Etihad?
On Eid Al Etihad, I dress in the UAE colors and I watch the celebrations.
Who is the father of the nation?
Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan.
What makes you proud to live in the UAE?
UAE take care of everyone and have amazing achievements.
How has the UAE developed over the years?
The UAE has changed from deserted villages to a modern country with skyscrapers, technology, and modern world achievements.
What do you like the most about the UAE?
I like that it's safe and beautiful.
Why is the unity of the UAE so important?
The unity of the seven Emirates make the country more stronger, safer, and successful.
What do the colors of the UAE flag represent?
Green for hope, white for peace, black for strength, and red for courage.
What do you admire most about Sheikh Zayed?
I admire his vision, kindness, and how much work he put into developing a country.
Thank you to all the students who shared their wonderful thoughts with us. Eid al Tihad reminds us of the unity, progress, and spirit of the UAE. May we continue to work hard together to develop our country further. Bye bye.